Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive.
This is day 37 and today we are looking at creating a chart. So we are using this data set to create a chart, a sales chart over here. So you can see it's a sales chart per region and per given countries. So today we are going to just create a chart without these flags and the background map there. Tomorrow we will look at creating a chart and adding these images and background images. So today we are going to just do a basic chart. We are going to create this basic chart using this information, and tomorrow we are going to develop it into a much beautiful looking chart like the one you saw first. So how do we create a chart? Okay, let me just delete it. So the first step is to select the data you want to put on a chart. Then you go to your insert. Then over here, there are quite a number of charts you can use. Today, we are just going to use a bar chart. So you can see if the moment I select on the bar chart, it's already showing something. And you can also put stacked bar charts and so on, different bar charts. You can also put bars going horizontally. So you choose whatever suits your needs. But I'm going to just put a vertical bar chart or a column bar chart. Also here you can rename it by just double clicking here or just clicking here, then we can rename it to whatever you want to name it. So I can name it sales by region. So I can rename it, for example, sales by region by country. So you can also change the way these axes look like. So you can right click and say format axis. So when you say format axis, your axis will come to this side. So you can select what is the minimum axis you want to see. Maybe you don't want it to start from 0, you want it to start from 4,000, then you can put 4,000 here. Then you can see your axis is starting from 4,000. Then you can choose whatever you want to be your maximum. Maybe you want it to be 7,000. Then also you can also edit the way your number looks like. Instead of this comma separated number, you can also change it to accounting. You want it to be currency because sales is currency. You can say currency. Then it's showing the South African rand here. Then you can choose the symbol you want to use. Maybe you want to use it in United States dollar. You can I'm just going to pick any dollar symbol here. Then it's now in dollars here. So you can format the vertical axis, also the horizontal axis. You can also right click it and you can also format it. So you can say, you can right click here and say format axis as well, and you can format the horizontal axis. All right. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.